Lakasan naman natin ng konti. One more time. Happy? Best? Happy? Happy? Alright. Now, thank you so much for Glenn and Girlie. May you have a happy marriage. Best wishes to both of you. And may your marriage be as beautiful as this wedding. So, ladies and gentlemen, please stand up and let's make a toast. Alright, please raise your glasses and let's make a toast for the bride and groom for your happy marriage. Cheers! Now, for the continuation of our speeches and well wishes, I would like to call on Mrs. Annette Ikahara, the grandmother of the bride.
Lord, kasi maganda yung panahon. Tapos sa mga parents namin, Nay, Daddy, Mami, thank you po. Sa mga kamag-anak namin, maraming salamat, dumating kayo. Sa mga friends, thank you din. Tsaka sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin, thank you po.
Now you have visitors from out of town. You have visitors from Norway. Yes, where are they? There they are. Please give them a round of applause, people. And you have visitors from Hawaii. You have a visitor from Hawaii right here. Anyone else? And your Lola from US, from the US. Ladies and gentlemen. Kiss the bride. Alright, everyone count with me, okay? You release the nose at 3. So 1, 2,